Alrighty guys, let's get into it. 10 absolute banger stocks that are blowing up right now. So first off, the rank NEWP, New Pacific Metals, has popped on big volume. They had a good earnings beat and it's just blowing up. So buy the dip on this one guys, wait for the red candle and see what happens, but this is just looking extremely strong. Where we go into MTC, Tech Inc. And this just looks great. It's found a bit of support on the pullback around the $4 mark and it's just going up and up and up. So once it gets past the $4.39, feel free to jump on in to that trade. It's looking like superb. And the blue line denotes where I started watching it, and if you're really clever you can pull out 30% in just 4 days on this amazing small cap stock. A little bit of a pullback probably coming now, big volume on the sell off, and I expect it to come back to the 20-day moving average at some point, and that could be your buy in there. Link looking like a really interesting stock, isn't it? AVBH, that price is going to stop everyone out, isn't it? You've had it, especially if you got in there. But I didn't get in there, I'm just waiting, but I will wait a little bit longer. I'm going to keep watching this one, but above the $30 mark looks really interesting. SFL, what an absolute thing of beauty that is, you know, it's a beauty. And yeah, that's your buy right there, isn't it? Pops out on decent increasing volume and it's off. So what is that exactly? You could have got in there, waited for a red day, and you're in up to 25% in just a few weeks. Absolutely beautiful. And so this looks very, very strong, doesn't it? And you could be a swing trader and just go like, hey, there's the trend line. So get in, maybe you pick a red day and jump on in there. It looks very interesting. That's SFL Corporation. Nice. This is interesting, isn't it? I don't know why that line's there. So yeah, that trend line on the 50 just looks like it's going to continue. A little bit of a pullback there, and it looks to be going higher and higher, so keep watching that one. 417 is a buy, check it out. HG is like slow and steady. What a great stock. I mean, it's just brilliant, isn't it? Wait for the dip. That was the dip, Stephen. Forgot to buy. Whoops. Nice, isn't it? It's just a great little stock. So if it heads higher, that's definitely a buy. I would wait for the red days, but that's just looking like a really nice sort of 50-day casually climbing, isn't it? It's a great stock. That's Hamilton HG. RMCOW is the bonker stock I'm watching for fun. Usually trading around 2,000 shares a day, then suddenly someone buys 573,000. Now yes, that might move the stock a little bit. Penny stock here. I don't really look at penny stocks, but this is just a bit of a larf. And so a little bit of violence here, but it may well have a little pullback, but I would be buying the dip on this one. It's pretty interesting. INNV is just one of my favorite stocks ever right now. It's just crushing, and that pop there is just sensational, isn't it? On huge volume and a great earnings, and it's going higher and higher. There's a little bit of a trend line there, and it's looking really strong post-market as well. So keep an eye on INNV. That's absolutely for the win. And FBIOP, Fortress Biotech, something's happening there, isn't it? There's no earnings, there's nothing. Is there some news not available? It's a dark night, this little stock, isn't it? But big breakout on, what does it usually trade at? 6,000, and someone's dropped 200,000. So that looks to be a bit of a pullback post-market, and that's one to watch, isn't it? Let's see if it comes back to 12 bucks, and we'll see, but that's one to watch. Talk, TALK, that's had a bit of a pullback, and that's just jumped higher on decent volume, 2 mil. Their earnings was insane, and someone dropped something big there. So that's a huge breakout and a nice pullback. Keep an eye on that, because this is just going to keep going up. This sort of 50-day moving average looking very steady, isn't it? And looking to be going higher. And NUP is just like insanity, isn't it? Look at that. I mean, this is the magic of small caps. And I'll just make it much bigger for the sake of dramatic effect. 40% in, well, let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Pretty good, isn't it? Put $1 million into that. Nice. So that's a really great stock. I'm not going to buy it there because the RSI is just, you know, a big giant historical high erection there at the 70s. I'm not going to buy the 70s, but I will certainly wait on the pullback and keep an eye on UP in EWP. That was a wrap for today, guys. So please smash the subscribe button, like the video, and check out that video over there. They're all fantastic, and it's all small cap stocks that are just rocking right now. So peace and love, and see you soon.